Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best laser level available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Skill Laser Level. Aligned on every wall. Need to align projects across several walls. This handy tool projects a bright red 3600 level line up to 65 Ford in diameter. Convenient charging. Integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery has a convenient micro USB charging port and battery charge indicators. Self-leveling ease. Automatically levels to cut out the guesswork, with an intuitive indicator to guide you. Tripod included. Height-adjustable tripod screws into 1/4 threads on the bottom of the tool for convenient positioning. Projects up to 65 Ford. The laser level tool projects a bright red continuous horizontal line all the way around the room. Self-leveling. Our laser level automatically levels to cuts out any guesswork. Convenient charging. The integrated rechargeable lithium-ion battery has a convenient micro USB charging port and indicators that show how much battery life is left. Number 4. Bosch Laser Level. Green Beam. The bright green beam laser lines allow easier work because they are up to 2x brighter than standard red beams. Convenient. This compact 40 Ford cross-line laser design features green beams for visibility, self-leveling technology for accuracy, and visible for brightness. Visibility. Cross-line functionality that includes the exclusive Bosch Visimax technology to provide maximum line laser brightness up to 40 ft in standard working conditions. Smart leveling. The Bosch GLL4020 cross-line laser self-levels so the operator doesn't have to manually level the tool. Not only does the smart pendulum system self-level, it indicates out-of-level condition with a blinking laser cross-line. Versatile. The tool allows fast setup because it projects 2 bright lines that are precisely level and plumb for a wide array of leveling and alignment applications. Flexible. Includes a tomb mounting device, which clamps to multiple surfaces and provides a rotating 360 neck for quick setup and simple fine-tuning. Number 3. Johnson Laser Level. Laser Level. This line laser self-levels and indicates out-of-level position with the help of the visual out-of-level indicator. If the system does not self-level, then that is alerted to you by flashing the beam. Performance. This cross-line laser can simultaneously project 2 clear, clean laser lines, 1 vertical and 1 horizontal. It has a 360 graded base that simplifies angle configuration and improves performance. Applications. This self-leveling laser level is a versatile tool that comes in handy for various leveling projects, including hanging shelving and pictures, tiling walls, leveling cabinets, finish work, and more. Battery life. The cross-line laser tool works on 3 AA alkaline batteries. It is capable of running or working for approximately 12 hours continuously. Number 2. Klein Tools Laser Level. Laser level with self-leveling, easy to read horizontal and vertical laser lines with plumb spot lasers to pinpoint overhead locations. Level projects horizontal and vertical lines independently or together for various alignments. Rugged body provides a 54 water and dust resistance, hard plastic carrying case included. Integrated magnetic 360-degree mounting bracket with 1/4" and 5/8" tripod mounting threads. Level comes with integrated magnetic mount and ceiling clip mount. Additional mounting clamp attachment for use on ceiling grid applications. Durable enough to withstand a 3.3-foot drop. Low battery indicator and easily accessible battery compartment. Number 1. Dual Laser Level. Dual Laser Level is durable and has over-molded housing with a 1-meter drop rating. Laser Level tool has patented integrated magnetic bracket. Self-leveling laser level is water and debris resistant with an IP54 rating. Can achieve up to a 165 Ford range when used with the detector. Sold separately. This cross-line laser can simultaneously project 2 clear, clean laser lines, 1 vertical and 1 horizontal. Approximately 1/8" accuracy at 30 Ford. Versatile. The tool allows fast setup because it projects 2 bright lines that are precisely level and plumb for a wide array of leveling and alignment applications. Class 2 laser with an output power of less than or equal to 1.3 MW at 636 nm. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.